So here's Starlink. We're gonna do the unboxing. So take that off, and you also take this cover off, and voila. So here you have your post. You get your post stand, your power adapter over here. It's rated for what? Yeah, for electricians, they know that. Then we have the main dish over here. Lift it up carefully, and here's the dish. It's not that large. It's like say one and an eighth. It's remarkable technology. It's very lightweight, very small. Does have a small protective cover that you peel it off, and together with that you have your power cable. Yeah, so it's 15 meters, so it should be long enough for one to plug it in. So that's the unboxing. Oh, we also have some regulatory notices. Let's see, we have, oh, here's English. So I think we can see the warnings about just the basic stuff. Something interesting, maybe it's about the warranty over here. So the warranty does not cover damage to lightning, electrical surges, fires, floods, hail, windstorms, earthquakes, meteorites, solar storms, dinosaurs, oh my goodness, or other force of nature, accident, misuse, abuse, or alterations, improper or neglect maintenance. So this is where your warranty can be invalidated if a dinosaur comes and destroys it, plus the others. So let's go and talk about the next, how to set it up. Hey guys, so let's talk about setting up your Starlink using all these components. So the first thing obviously is going to become an issue about power. So that you need to flip this thing. Then you take this. These rings help ensure there's no water entering the device. Then you take this, you plug it in here, nice and tight. Then you take the other end of the power cable and you plug it in there. For the electricians, they might be interested with the power, but just the usual. Oh, interesting! This one was made in Vietnam. Okay, so you do that. You plug it in. You take it through this. You take it through this gate there, so you can have some. You can secure it at least so it doesn't play around when it's on the outside. So let's say also we also have this. This is where you put your Ethernet cable. If you have it, you need to order it from the Starlink shop. If you need to use it, you take it out. It's nicely squeezed in to avoid water entering it. But here it is. This is the plug. If you are not using it, using the Ethernet cable, let me try to show it. Yeah, that's the Ethernet cable. You just plug it in there. If you're not using it, put that there to avoid water entering it. Okay, so there. Now let's say in case you need to hang your Starlink, you need to put a pole to support it to get a better signal. This is where this thing comes in. So like your pole will come, okay, from this side up to here, then use this to tighten it, to secure it. And if you need to use this, you need to remove this and put this. How you do that, you come, you pinch, then you slightly pull, gently. Don't force anything, just like that. As you can see the hinges, so you need to squeeze it. Then After that, take this and you pinch it a little bit and just push it in, secure it. Make sure every corner is nice and tight. Yep. But that's not going anywhere. And voila. So you run your pole here, you tighten it with that, then you twist it around. Yeah, and that's all for this. Also removing it, try to just gently push it. It's difficult doing it with one hand, but that's how you need to use both hands. Let me not push it so far, but you need to push it just gently. It will come out with both hands. So that's how you set up your Starlink. Let me show you the issue about resetting it. Now if you need to reset it, this is the place. You need to press down firmly. It will press it down, hold it for a few seconds, and it will reset. Now another issue is about warranty. You'll find this in the box itself, and the warranty, I think it's somewhere over here. So one of the things is that the warranty does not cover damage to lightning, electrical surges, fires, floods, hail, windstorms, earthquakes, meteors, solar storms, solar storms, and dinosaurs or other forces of nature. Interesting. And also accident, misuse, abuse, or alterations, improper or neglected maintenance. So remember guys, if a dinosaur comes and kills eats your Starlink, mask will not cover you. So generally that's it. And over here you have your, this is in the box. It also gives a pictorial guideline. You take this, you run your cable, you also plug in the power, then you come over here and you scan this barcode over here. You scan it and you should be good to go with the internal Wi-Fi adapter. You should be good to go. Remember to use the Starlink app to ensure you have a clear. Starlink will give you a notice. Using the app, they'll give you a notice if it is not in having a direct link between this and the satellites in outer space or near the Earth's outer atmosphere. So next thing, I'm going to put all this together as I've shown you. Then I'm going to do a speed test. So here I am on the roof. Here's a Starlink placed in the most rigid African way you can think of. Piece of rock to hold it down to prevent it from rolling. There's just a slight slope, but just as safety, you just placed a big rock behind it. Anyway, hoping that this clear sky is enough. Hope that tree doesn't disturb it. Let's test it.